So, Adar, before I open it to the world, open you to the world, let me ask you a couple of questions which I probably haven't had the chance to talk to you about. First thing would be, why have you stopped calling me Bhaiya? Like suddenly it's not Ranbir Bhaiya and suddenly it's become Ranbir.
First of all, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, members of the media, the press, journalists. Thank you so much for coming out here. It's my first time in front of you all, so I'm very, very nervous. But I'm very, very excited to also be out here in front of you all. So thank you so much for coming here. And Ranbir Bhaiya, thank you so much for saying all what you said. I was backstage hearing you. You never said, I'm joking, you always said good things about me. But thank you so much. You're such kind words. Thank you.
I'm quite amazed, you know. I mean, the first time I was in front of them, I was a nervous wreck. You're quite confident. I'm quite happy because of that. Your knees aren't shaking, your voice isn't trembling, you aren't...
From inside, my heart is like really beating hard
okay.
right now. Yeah.
So let's quickly get to it. Why acting? You know, your father has a business of his own. You've grown up in South Bombay. You know, your lifestyle has been quite away from movies. So how come you decided to come into the film business?
So I mean, growing up, movies have always inspired me. I've loved watching movies growing up. But to be honest, when I was a kid, I didn't really know what I wanted to do. You know, I was any lost kid in school. I wasn't that great in studies. So I loved playing sports. I loved playing football, cricket. I loved being part of all the talent shows that were held in my school. I was very fond of music, and I loved performing on stage. So for me, that was a real high. When I used to be on stage, it was the most liberating moment for me to be on stage in front of everyone and entertaining people in any small way I could. So performing was a high for me. And so when everyone was getting serious in high school and going to business colleges and engineering colleges and doing their doctorates and stuff and applying to colleges, that's when I was a bit lost there. I was like, I want to act. I don't want to do all these things. So, but what do I do? Now, I want to educate myself in the field of acting, in the field of filmmaking. That's when a school called the New York Film Academy came down to Bombay. And they came here, and that's where I met them. They had a seminar, and they spoke about filmmaking and acting. And that's when I learned that acting and filmmaking is obviously a full-time job and takes a lot of hard work, a lot of effort. And that's when I wanted to go and further educate myself. But I was always fond of performing on stage and acting.
Thank you, Adar. Before we open questions to the media, let's just tell us something about how did you get this film? What was the process? Did Adi call you? Did Habib notice you somewhere? Is it because you come from a family when that's why you got this opportunity? How did it all happen for you?
So for me, I was assisting on Ae Dil Hai Mushkil for a year. And after that, I was a bit lost. I didn't really know how to go about everything. I really wanted to act. That was my passion. That was my dream. I thought I'll take a year off and train myself. I'll dance. I'll do acting classes. I'll try and get a little fit. And at that point, I spoke to Shanu Sharma, who's a casting director of YRF. And she told me that, are you ready to give it your all? You know, because acting takes a lot of hard work and a lot of mehnat. So, are you ready to give it your all in audition? And I said, yes, of course, I would. This is my dream. This is what I want to do. So she said, okay, fine. We did about 3 months of auditioning with her. And then she still said, she said, you're a bit raw, you know, right now. Go and train yourself and do a couple of acting courses. Then one day I got a call from Shanu, and she says that, Adar, tomorrow you have a really big audition. And she gave me 2 big scenes from Band Baja Barat and Ishaq Zadeh. So I went, I prepared. And I came back the next day and I did my audition. Then I didn't hear from her for a week. That's why I started feeling really anxious and nervous. Ki, yaar, kya ho raha hai? Am I going to do something or not? Then I got a call from her one day saying that, listen, Adar, I've been trying to call you. Where are you? So she said, go to the 4th floor YRF. And I was in Warsaw in an acting course which she put me into. And my heart was beating here. I didn't know what the 4th floor was. I'd heard of the 4th floor and Coffee with Karan. So I was very nervous. So I drove, I went to the 4th floor. That's when I met Adi sir. And he told me that this is film. And you're going to have to audition for it. We've liked your initial auditions. And Mr. Habib Faisal is making a film. And if he likes you through the auditioning process, you will get this film. So there were 3 or 4 weeks of rigorous auditioning processes that I went down with her, with Ms. Habib Faisal, and that's how I got the film.
So Aadar, this is the moment when I introduce you to these lovely people. They are the people who are going to help you, support you, praise you, criticize you. When you're doing good, when you're doing bad, they will hold you up and they will write bad about you. But do be honest to them.
Always.
Do give to them what you think, what
Always.
your perspective is. What you feel about certain things, and it won't harm you if you're politically correct sometimes. So don't be completely too honest also. Kabhi it's fine to
I'll try and be as honest
things.
as I am.
All right, so without any delay, let's take some questions.
Hi Aadar.
Hi.
This is Alok.
Hi Alok.
So welcome to Hindi film industry. मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि
हाँ जी.
कल की रात आपकी कैसी रही जब आपको पता था कि आज यहाँ हमसे मुखातिब होना है?
मैं बहुत ही नर्वस था यार, मैं बहुत ही नर्वस था. लेकिन मैं घर पे आई डोंट नो, आई वाज जस्ट विद माय पेरेंट्स. बहुत ही नर्वस था मैं, लेकिन मैं उससे भी ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ कि मैं आज यहाँ पे हूँ आप सब लोग के सामने. आप मुझे एक मौका दे रहे हैं यहाँ पे आके, एंड यू ऑल कम हियर फॉर मी, सो इट्स अ बिग डील फॉर मी. आई एम वेरी नर्वस राइट नाउ. आई डोंट थिंक आई एम शोइंग इट, बट आई एम. बट या आई एम जस्ट एक्साइटेड टू बी हियर.
आदर, कपूर ख़ानदान से आप हैं. जब ये नाम आता है तो न जाने कितनी सारी फिल्में आती हैं और बहुत सारी यादें भी आती हैं. किस तरीके से इस नाम की लाज आप आगे आगे लेकर के जाने वाले हैं?
वेल, कोशिश तो करूँगा मैं. आई थिंक मुझे एक्चुअली एक्टर बनना था क्योंकि आई वॉज इंटरेस्टेड इन एक्टिंग एंड आई वॉज द लव फॉर सिनेमा. इट वॉजंट बिकॉज ऑफ माई फैमिली, बट in any small way, if I can try and take the legacy forward, I will try to. But Ranbir Bhaiya, my Mama ji, Shri Rishi Kapoor, my Nana ji, Raj Kapoor, and my great grandfather Prithvi Raj Kapoor, they've all achieved so much. They're such fine actors. They've been accepted so gratefully in the industry. I hope in a small way कि मैं भी अपना part कर सकता हूँ. And I just want to enjoy what I do, and sorry bhaiya.
Hi Aadar, this is Ravi from ABP News.
Hi, sorry.
Ravi from ABP News.
Hi Ravi.
Aadar, मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि
जी
किस तरह की फिल्में आप देखना पसंद करते हैं और किस तरह की फिल्मों में आप काम करना पसंद करेंगे आगे जाकर?
Sir, all types, sir. All types. Be it action, comedy, जो भी sir. I'm fond of all kinds of films. So I don't have one set of kind of movie that I want to work in, or one genre of film that I want to work in.
आदर, एक सवाल और है कि
जी
एक सवाल और है मेरा कि लाइफ की तरह ही फिल्म इंडस्ट्री भी बहुत अनप्रेडिक्टेबल है
जी.
और बहुत सारे एप्रीहेंशन भी होते हैं लोगों को. जब नए लोग आते हैं उन्हें स्ट्रगल करना, कुछ लोगों को स्ट्रगल करना पड़ता है, कुछ लोगों को ज़्यादा, कुछ लोगों को कम स्ट्रगल करना पड़ता है. लेकिन अल्टीमेटली बहुत अनप्रेडिक्टेबल इंडस्ट्री है. तो कहीं आपके मन में ये एप्रीहेंशन है? मैं जानना चाहूँगा कि अगर आगे किसी तरह का, मतलब बहुत सारे लोग सक्सेस और फेलियर को लेकर बहुत ज़्यादा डीपली सोचते हैं, तो इस तरह की एप्रीहेंशन है क्या इस वक्त आपके मन में? किसी तरह का कुछ चल रहा है क्या?
सर अब फिलहाल तो अभी नहीं. आई एम जस्ट वेरी एक्साइटेड टू बी हियर इन फ्रंट ऑफ ऑल ऑफ यू ऑल. लेकिन आगे जाके आई थिंक दैट ऑफ कोर्स एप्रीहेंशंस तो होते हैं, इनसिक्योरिटीज होती है इन एवरीवन. You put in all your effort, you work really hard on a film for a year, or even more than that. I think Bhaiya worked on Jagga Jasoos for 4 years. So it takes a lot of hard work and effort on a film. And of course you have insecurities, but I think that it's also important to believe in yourself and have the courage to stand with what you believe in. And that will always take you forward. That's what I believe in, sir.
Hi Adan, Neha here from Bollywood Now, to your left.
Hi, sorry, what's your name?
Hi, here. Neha.
Neha, hi.
Yeah. Adar, welcome to the film industry.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
अच्छा रणबीर, बड़े भैया होने के नाते आदर को क्या कहेंगे, क्या मत करना?
You know, जब मैं फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में आया था, आपको बहुत एडवाइसेस मिलते हैं, you know, from seniors, from family members and all of that. But I guess everybody has to make their own journey, you know. मैं कुछ भी बोलूँगा आदर को, I'll give him the do's and don'ts. It doesn't matter. जब तक ये खुद गिरेगा नहीं, ये खुद उठ नहीं पाएगा. जब तक he will not see his first success himself, he won't be able to take pride and credit for it. So I feel in any field, you know, or any family member, I don't like to give any form of advice. I can give him some advice if he comes to me and says, "Okay, you know, Ranbir, bhaiya, if you know ये फिल्म मेरे पास आई है, should I do it, should I not?" Now I can't tell him कि नहीं तुझे करना चाहिए, तेरे करियर के लिए अच्छा है, क्योंकि अगर एक साल बाद वो फिल्म नहीं चली, then you know it'll be wrong. So I think we are in such an industry that it has to be yours, your decisions, your gut feeling, your instinct, it all has to come within.
Yeah.
Hello, here. Adar ji.
Ji?
Aarti Saxena.
Hi Aarti.
Yeah.
Hi, where are you on the... Hi Aarti.
Hi. आप है ना कपूर खानदान से ताल्लुकात रखते हैं, जिसमें कि राज साहब अपने इनोसेंसी के लिए फेमस थे
जी,
रणवीर कपूर जी अपने कॉमेडी और नॉटीपने के लिए फेमस हैं, और ऋषि जी अपने रोमांटिक इमेज के लिए फेमस
जी,
हैं।
मैम।
तो आप ये तीनों का मिक्सचर बनना चाहेंगे कि आप अपनी एक अलग इमेज बनाना चाहेंगे?
मैम मैं बहुत ही नया हूँ, आई डोंट नो कि मेरे स्ट्रेंथ्स क्या है, वीकनेसेस क्या है. आई वॉन्ट टू जस्ट कीप ग्रोइंग एंड आई थिंक ये आउटसाइड परसेप्शन है एंड इट्स लाइक अ थर्मो फॉर अ थर्ड पर्सपेक्टिव टू लुक एट समवन एंड से व्हाट दे आर गुड एट. आई फील आई एम वेरी न्यू टू से व्हाट आई एम गुड एट. आई एम स्टिल लर्निंग, स्टिल ग्रोइंग. तो देखेंगे आगे जाके. I don't know, but I definitely want to be able to have the qualities that they all have in acting. Definitely, ma'am.
और एक क्वेश्चन है कि रणवीर जी ने फर्स्ट ही फिल्म अपनी फ्लॉप देखी थी, सावरिया
जी.
तो आपके बड़े भाई हैं, तो आपको इस बात का कुछ डर लग रहा है?
Yeah, of course, apprehensions तो है, definitely है, क्योंकि we all love acting, we love cinema. एंड जब आपकी पहली पिक्चर नहीं चलती है तो बहुत दुख की बात है. बट यू हैव टू पिक योर सेल्फ अप, यू हैव टू रिमेंबर व्हाई यू आर हियर एंड जस्ट बिलीव इन योरसेल्फ. आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट यू कैन ओनली डू.
थैंक यू वेरी मच.
थैंक यू मैम.
हाय आदर, आपके स्ट्रेट
Yes,
मैं अनुप्रिया हूँ दैनिक जागरण डिजिटल से.
Hi.
आपसे सवाल है कि कृष्णा राज कपूर जी फिल्मी लवर मानी जाती हैं, तो उन्होंने आपको क्या कहा है, और करीना कितनी करीबी रही हैं, उनकी तरफ से आपको क्या नसीहत मिली है?
आज एक्चुअली जब मैं सुबह उठा मैंने अपनी नानी से बात की फ़ोन पे एंड शी जस्ट सेड टेक गॉड्स नेम एंड enjoy it. This will never come again in your life. This moment which I am now on stage in front of all of you. So enjoy it and cherish it. And my cousin Karina, Bebo Didi, she said, just break a leg. So I'm trying to do that.
तोड़ दे.
कौन सा?
आदिर, हाय, ज्योति फ्रॉम जूम.
हाय ज्यूडी.
जी, मेरा पहला सवाल ये है कि आप इंडस्ट्री में लॉन्च हो रहे हैं, फर्स्ट फिल्म आ रही है, लेकिन कभी सोचा था कि कटरीना, करीना, बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से जो आप जानते हैं सभी को, उनके साथ फिल्म करने के लिए? और आपकी फेवरेट कौन है, दीपिका, कटरीना, करीना या कोई?
माई फेवरेट एक्ट्रेस बहुत है. देयर इज प्रियंका चोपड़ा, दीपिका, अनुष्का, बहुत सारे हैं, नरगिस दत्त जी, करीना, ऑफ कोर्स करीना, आई वाज गोइंग टू दैट ना, लेट मी से. बहुत सारे हैं. To work with them, I can't work with my cousin. Maybe we can do a brother-sister role. But yeah, definitely I want to work with every actress.
जी, मेरा दूसरा सवाल है कि इस इंडस्ट्री में जैसे फेम मिलता है उसके साथ कई चीज़ें और भी साथ में आती है, जैसे अफेयर्स की न्यूज़ आती है, बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं, तो उसके लिए प्रिपेयर है या रणवीर से या किसी से आपने एडवाइस ली है?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं यार. आई अंडरस्टैंड कि यू नो ये सब चीज़ें होते हैं. इट ऑल कम्स विद द टेरिटरी. थैंक यू. And but yeah, I'm ready for whatever is to come. You know, I believe that the most important thing is being truthful to your work and being good to your work. That's why you're here. Speculations will keep happening, and I guess you can't do anything about that.
We'll take the last question now, please.